Good morning, students. So in the last class I did some problems on finding energy and power. Today I will continue with discrete signals. So that ends the problems on energy and power. And before solving problems, I would like the students to remind these formula, summation formulas. They are called as summation formulas. I will explain. So this very frequently we come across this one. This is called as geometric series. Geometric series. Summation 0 to infinity. Very frequently we come across this. A power n equal to 1 over 1 minus a for mod a less than 1. So what happens if mod a is not less than 1, then the summation becomes negative. So that should not happen. So that is why a less than 1, mod a. I will explain the meaning of mods in this chapter at a later stage, not now. That is called as modular sign. So 1 over 1 minus a. You now just keep it in mind that a is less than 1. For example, summation 0 to infinity. Summation 0 to infinity. Say for example half to the power of n. So half to the power of n equal to 1 over 1 minus a. 1 over 1 minus a. So this is how you have to work out. Now find energy and power. Find energy and power. First x to the power of n equal to half n en. Energy E equals energy Ex equals summation minus infinity to plus infinity half to the power of n u of n whole square equals half to the power of n. So what is this u of n? U of n is what is called as step sequence. Step sequence. It is like this step sequence. It exists only for positive values of n with the value 1. For negative values of n, it is 0. This is called as u of n. Step sequence, u of n. So 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. It is called as step sequence. Now for n less than 0, it is 0. Therefore, summation here, I can change the summation from, instead of minus infinity to plus infinity, I can take it as 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity equals 0 to infinity square, and un value is 1. So half to the power of n whole square means half to the power of 2n. Half to the power of 2n. I will remind you, a to the power of n whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. Next equals, you can write it like this. 0 to infinity, you can take it like this. 1 by 4 to the power of n. You can also write like this. Half to the power of 2 to the power of n can be written as half square. What is half square? Half square is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 to the power of n. So now summation, apply this summation formula. So it is from 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity, half to the power of n means summation is 1 over 1 minus a. This is a. 1 by a. That is 1 by 3 by 4. That is equal to 4 by 3 joules. 4 by 3 joules. So you have found energy value. So you need not have to worry about power. So anyhow, power is going to become 0, and 4 by 3 joules. So power equals 0. Power equals 0. You can work out the problem. By applying the formula. Anyhow, you are going to get it as 0 value, or I will work out, no problem. Next, power. So power formula is, remember, power P equals limit n tending to infinity 1 over 2n plus 1 over 2n plus 1 summation minus n to plus n plus n x of n whole square. So this is the formula. Now limit n tending to infinity 1 over 2n plus 1 summation minus n to n. Take some value for n. So now minus n to n x of n whole square. We get 1 over 2n plus 1 and minus n to n x of n whole square. X of n whole square is once again 1 by limit n tending to infinity 1 over 2n plus 1. Now un exists from 0 to infinity. I will take here lower limit as 0 and upper limit as n. 1 by 4 to the power of n. 1 by 4. The problem was correct. 1 by 4 to the power of n. 1 by 4 to the power of n equals. Now apply this summation formula. Limit n tending to infinity 1 over 2n plus 1. Summation formula is 1 minus a. A here is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 to the power of n plus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. Now taking the limit, you need not have to substitute this. If you take in the limit as n tending to infinity, in the denominator infinity value yields you 0. Therefore it is not power signal. Thank you.